I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a barn door. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass. Now listen guys, if your freezer is anything like mine, it is a disaster zone and it smells funky, all right? So rinse your ice first, otherwise your barn door is going to taste like something else that you find in the barn. So just pour some water onto your ice, strain it upside down into the kitchen sink. Clean ice means a clean barn door. I can't believe I just said that. All right, we're going to add in about 1.5 ounces of vodka here. Any brand will do, so just pick your favorite. And then we're going to fill this up with pineapple juice about halfway and cranberry juice the rest of the way. So this is like a variation on a screwdriver. Go ahead and shake this up, just like so. We're going to pour this into a highball glass. Et voila. Add in your stirry straw, and there you have it, a barn door. Cheers.